What happened to Jake from State Farm, the insurance pitchman everyone pretended to have a crush on? Let's dive into the history of this iconic advertising character, a name that probably pops into your head anytime you hear State Farm in 2011. State Farm executives struck gold when they came up with the idea of a real Jake. The initial Jake from State Farm was played by a State Farm employee, actually named Jake Stone, and shot to fame overnight. The reason why the character became iconic was due to his relatable persona. He was presented as the average guy, approachable, and easy to connect with. Someone you might actually want to chat with on the phone. The khakis joke and the deadpan delivery helped solidify his place in advertising history, offering a refreshing alternative to typical commercial theatrics. Several years later, a new Jake from State Farm emerged, played by actor Kevin Mims. This change kept the character relevant and brought a fresh dynamic to the brand. The company kept the essential elements that made the character successful. Mims brought his own unique charm and humor, adapting for an evolving marketing landscape. Consumer engagement and brand recall rely on elements like these. From the original State Farm employee to the actor we see today, the Jake from State Farm character exemplifies the power of relatability and sustained brand storytelling. It's all proof that the face of the brand creates a powerful connection.